Hi guys, welcome back to Culinary Medicine for Everyday Living. I'm Amy and today I'm going to show you my favorite recipe of mini eggplant pizzas. All right, so let's get started. Okay, so this is a really simple recipe. I'm going to use eggplant, oil, the homemade walnut basil pesto that I made, and I'll link that recipe here. I also am going to use organic fresh mozzarella balls, and so let's just get to it. Now, while I'm slicing and prepping these ingredients, I have the oven preheating to 350 degrees. So I'm going to slice these eggplants in about 1/2-inch slices. I picked these up fresh from the Santa Fe Farmers Market today, and they're organic. And the extra ends of these I'm going to use in another recipe. So I'm just going to save these for later so that I have these flat discs for my pizzas, right? Okay, let's do the other. Oven's ready. Okay, so I have my pan that I'm just going to put the oil in the bottom and give that a rub here, just in the bottom. And from there, I'm going to put my eggplant pieces in there in the bottom here. May not be able to get them all to fit. We'll do the best that I can. All right, so yeah, I think so. Anything extra, like I said, I have another recipe I want to use the eggplant for, so these pizzas will be fine just like that. All right, so I have those in the pan. The bottom is oiled. I'm going to set that to the side. The next thing I'm going to do is slice my tomato. So I picked this golden tomato up again from the farmer's market today, and I'm really excited. The farmers told us that they're less acidic than the red and a little bit milder than the pink tomatoes for flavor-wise, but they just look so amazing. So I'm going to do the same thing with these fresh mozzarella balls. I'm just going to slice these up into mini little slices, and you'll see why. It's going to be our topping for the mini pizzas. Now, I shot this video last week on my new fancy camera and messed the settings up accidentally. The lighting was horrible, so I decided to go back to my trusty Samsung cell phone and have a redo. I ate all those mini pizzas. They were absolutely amazing. So I don't mind making them again. All right, so now that we have those ingredients sliced up, I'm literally just going to dollop out this pesto generously onto my eggplant. If you haven't tried this pesto, again, I linked the recipe to this one. It is absolutely amazing. It's completely vegan as well. I use a nutritional yeast to replace the cheese that you would find in a normal pesto recipe, and I use walnuts because they have healthiest, probably of all nuts, or one of the healthier profiles of omega-6 to omega-3 fatty acids. So they're going to have a more balanced ratio there. My God, these are so good. I can't wait to have them again. So this is a really good keto recipe because we've got tons of healthy fat in these, high fiber vegetables, low carbohydrate, low net carbs here. So if that is something that you're working on, this is excellent. These would be really good as an appetizer at a party as well. So, okay, again, so easy to do. Now I'm just going to lay the tomato slices out on the pizzas. Probably need to grab my other tomato, so I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back with my other tomato. Just need a few, 3 slices for the last pizzas. So let's bring them back over. Set these out. Maybe one more slice. I think would be. Save some of this tomato. I should have done one more tomato. Oh look, I missed another one. One more slice. Need to pay closer attention. Just take this bit and put it there. And we'll do the same thing here. Let's cut that out. Add this one here. So now, we have eggplant. We have the basil pesto, the walnut basil pesto, and now we're just going to add the little slices of the mozzarella over each one of these. We may need some more mozzarella, we'll see. Break these up. Yeah, I think we do. Need some more. Slice them. So these will go in the oven. And for about 40 minutes at 350 Fahrenheit. So this is vegetarian, I guess lacto veggie. Since we have the cheese, there's some dairy. I suppose you could try to use vegan cheese. I don't think it's good, but if that's your thing. All right, guys, so there we go. Smith is down here on the floor, so watch out, Bubby. Go on, move. All right, I'm gonna have to give him a little piece of cheese. Over here, Bubby. To get him out of the way. Come here. Over here. Good boy. All right, watch out. So again, pop these in the oven. I'm gonna set the timer for 40 minutes. And I'll be back. Okay, so while the eggplant pieces are baking, I'm going to take a bundle of fresh basil that I picked from my garden outside, and I'm just going to make some fresh basil, slice it up so I can garnish the pizzas when they're ready with it. Not only do I love fresh basil, but it just finishes off the dish very nicely. So let me get the camera here so you can see how I do this. Just kind of take the leaves and break them off the stems as much as possible. And I'm just going to put it in a small little wad and then just give thin slices to the basil. And that should actually be plenty. Right. All right. I can't wait. I'm back and the pizzas are finished. It actually took them 45 minutes to finish. So what you're looking for, just like a normal pizza, is a little browning with the mozzarella cheese and then sprinkle over that freshly chopped basil for garnish. I actually served myself a mini one up that I can't wait to try after this video. Give this video a like if you enjoyed it, and especially if you try the recipe and like it, then give it 2 thumbs up and add a comment below. Guys, follow this page and also follow me on TikTok it's at Amy Catherine Evans. I'll link it up above. Follow me on TikTok because I am posting all kinds of health tips on there, quick and fast. So give me a follow and like and subscribe to this channel for more content, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.